Hello everybody, my griddle here has been sitting around for 4+ years. As you can tell, it's been covered up, but it's good and nasty, and we are going to clean her up and make her like new, get her seasoned, and where we can cook back, where we can start cooking back on it. And it's pretty nasty, got some rust, but you know, it could be worse. I've seen worse. Anyway, we're gonna get our stuff together and start cleaning on it. Okay, I hope y'all can see. We're gonna throw some of this old stuff away. Get the paper towels. Alright. First thing I'm going to try to do is get her fired up and let her warm up and try to scrape some of the rust off. Oh yeah. She's definitely on. We're gonna let her heat up some and we'll take some of the rust off. We're back. Definitely heated up. We're gonna go to low. Put some gloves on. Hope y'all can see. Sorry, I'm gonna bust the fan now. There we go. Be careful, it's hot. Kind of loosen, put the heat to it, help loosen the rust a little bit. Oh shoot, something got me. And okay. You got that, let me we want to put a little oil over here on it. Go ahead and kind of start her back on the low. Make sure they all come on. Let me look at that. Make sure that. Yep. There we go. Thought something wasn't right. There we go. And we got this stuff right here we're going to go with first. It's just Scotch-Brite stainless steel right here. You can see. We just want to rub it on in. Put some in here, some on. Don't forget about your sides. Woo-hoo. Thing's hot. Warm, buddy. All right. Cut that on. Uh, I've seen people get the wire wheel, put it on the drill motor or something, and just go out there. I don't really care. And sandpaper, I don't really care to do that. I don't want none of that digging in my metal, especially the sandpaper, the flapper wheel some people use. That'll make it not flat. It can anyway if you're real careful. And it can take, start taking metal. And you don't want that. There we go. We got that. Set this here. Get some paper towel. Towel thing right here. Just ball it up like this here. Like this. Look at this. Look how nasty. It'll be like new when we get through with it. Might even cook tonight. Let's see what the wife's got set out. So what you want. You know that saying, you gotta make mama happy. Mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. Just doing this here, we're gonna let it cool off, and then I'm gonna put the Scotch-Brite pad on it as well. Alright, we back. We're gonna, it's still a little warm. We're gonna put a little more on. Green pad right here. A little warm, so we get this. With a paper towel. You can see it's getting cleaner. Cleaner and cleaner. We'll be ready before you know it. Yes, sir. Stay fine. Home. See, getting cleaner. Don't necessarily take wire wheel like a lot of people like. But I guess it's personal preference. I don't like putting a wire wheel if I can help it, or sandpaper disc on here. Flat top, and that's all I want to keep it flat. A lot of people see their flat top get in this condition, and the rust all in it when it sets up for a long time. They think it's, time to throw it away to get another one. You can make it brand new. Brand new. Save that money. Everything's high. Everything's high nowadays. Crap, everything. Look here, clean and cleaner. You go as far as you want. You think it's clean enough for you? Got all that rust right there. It's nice and clear. Well, with this, just going with it. Take the towel. Just like this, boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen. Just like that. Pretty much this hole right there. I am very happy with this right here. I mean, look. Very happy. So, what I'm doing now, we'll put a little bit right here. Get this paper towel. I'm just coating it. I'm not trying to wipe it off or anything. I'm just trying to coat the griddle. Clean as it can be. So I'm not going to show you a little more. As soon as I get it nice and coated, I'm going to turn the griddle on and let her get good and hot. And oil penetrates. Cast iron penetrates. It's thick, all that good stuff. There, got one thing. Look how quick. Turn it on. Burner 1. Burner 2. 3. 4. There we go. We'll just kind of put it on. Let it get hot. And when we'll be back,